Hi guys, so today I'm back again with another video. Yes, and today this video will be about a small unboxing. Well, yeah, small unboxing. I'll be unboxing, well, I think this is my ring light, and I'll be unboxing a slippers I bought on AliExpress. Right, so I purchased both on AliExpress and they came, so I said I would just do a small unboxing to see what they're about, and to give my honest review as I open the items. Right, so if you're new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe. mm-hmm. And if you're not new here and you're a part of the Style Squad, definitely go ahead and go down in the comment section and type in Style Queen or Style King, because you're done. So the first package would be this, right? And it's the shoes. So right away I'm just gonna go into it because I am kind of excited, yeah. Okay, so sorry for the background noise, guys. I'm having a little work done on my gate. I apologize, and I'm really sorry for the lighting. That's why I got the ring light. So after today, I should not have any more issues with lighting. Well, I hope not. I hope not. Let's hope not, right? It came in the bubble wrap, and then it came in this. So I like that. At least them secure it. Now, guys, I should tell you this is a Cinderella inspired slipper. I love the eel. Like this, the eel is, I guess, 90% why I bought it, because I love this new style of eel. Again, sorry for the background noise, guys. Everyone is at home and a lot of bikes and stuff, so I'm really sorry for that. But what we're talking about, like, get to the video, right? And remember to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share me out, guys. I am very new to YouTube. If you have something to say about my videos, if you have a tip, even if a tip, definitely go down in the comment section and let me know, right? Like I said, guys, I'm truly sorry for the lighting, right? But this is the slipper and it is a size 7. Yeah, it kind of look, when you look at it like this, you're like, what, this look big, but it is actually a size 7. And my foot is a bit fat, so it's wide width, kind of have a little wide width thing going on for you. So for you girls that like these cute little slipper, yeah, you will see future pictures or videos of me in this. I will not try it on today because my toes are a mess, and you know I ain't gonna tell no lie. My toes are a mess. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, let's be honest. Let's just be honest. But so far I'm loving the slippers and I'm loving the heel. And honestly, I've tried it before, and it's comfortable. It is very comfortable, and I am happy that I purchased this. Now, I was a bit skeptic because I've never purchased a shoes online per se, or AliExpress per se, and I was wondering if it would be good, of good quality and stuff for it. And so far I am not disappointed. I am definitely not disappointed. Like, I'm just thinking about myself, in this body kind of style, this summer. And guys, the summer is all mine. It's my birth month, August. So, girl gotta be for her birthday, her birth month, right? And it's right around the corner. So, when I have nothing more to say, let's get into it. So, the next one will be the ring light. And as I said, guys, this is what I've been waiting for a while now, because I'm I'm gonna tell you, I have been having issues videoing from the other day. Really and truly, why? It's because they're locked down and people is at home. My neighbors, they do their own stuff. They want to play their music, they want to do their stuff. So I really can't say no. I really can't say nothing to that. And then I'm not sure if you know this about me, but I do work separately from all this lovely thing here. So in that case, I have to make sure my timing goes together now that I'm doing this. So I purchased this so I could do some more videos in the night when I have time, so I can get out the beautiful videos to you guys. As you can see, I'm truly dark in this video, so please, again, please forgive me for this. But as I said, after this I should not have any problem, and y'all guys need to let me know, when I'm supposed to have no more lighting problem. So it came in as this here, and then here is the box, right? So guys, this is a 8-inch. I think I purchased a small one because my space and what I really wanted for, that was enough. So I purchased a small one, right? So I'm gonna go in and let's see. So first off, let's start with this. Now first off, this is the stand. Ew. Okay, so there's a few things here in the box. Right off the bat, I took out this. I got a little remote with it, and I always like these little things. It came with a user manual. Most of these don't come with a user manual. I have friends who said theirs did not come with a user manual, so that is a plus for me. I got a remote. I'm not gonna take it out now, but that's another plus for me. So this part is to screw into that part. Let me see, and I like how each part comes in a little bag separately. So I like that. I like how they package it so far, right? And then here's my little light. It came in this inside the box, so another bag, and I really like how you guys took the time out to package it properly. So this is the light, guys, right? It's small, but it's small enough for me, because as I told you, for what I am doing, it is enough, right? So this is the card. I'm going to pull out the card to see how I assemble this. And yeah, so let's see. Okay, the card is very long, guys. Like, look at this. Yeah, I like that. And it comes with so if you don't want to use that, it comes with this. So that's another plus for me. Definitely another plus for me. Let's see what happens here. So I think this little part here should go into, yes, so I think this little part here should go here like this. So let's start with that first. Okay, let's secure that. Make sure that is secured. And guys, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for, right? Go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new here, definitely go down into the comment section and comment style queen, style king. Really sorry for the background noise. Those bikers are wilding out, but the show must go on. So yeah, so as I was explaining before, guys, that's one of the reasons I got my ring light, because I wanted to do more videos for you guys in the night, where I have a little more quiet, more peaceful setting, so you can hear me good when I'm speaking. You can hear everything, so I'm definitely working on that, guys. I'm having trouble screwing this on, so I'm here talking to you, trying to distract you while I get this on. Guys, I don't think it's on, and I really don't want to let it go and it drop and break. So let's see, we're gonna try this again. No, I don't know how this works. I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, so okay, we're gonna go in with this piece, and I guess this piece is supposed to be here. No, I'm not sure how this works. Oh, now listen, guys, I was just trying to bend this, and this is the real deal. This is the real material. You don't have to worry about your phone being too heavy, because sometimes the phone is too heavy and it pull it down. This will definitely hold up with any phone. Now I am not sure if I'm doing this right, but it's sticking. So what I'm gonna do is to bend this a bit, and then I am going to try it again. Now if this doesn't work, I'm definitely going to give this to my spouse and ask it to fix it for me. Yeah, yeah, them for they are for them something they too, you know. Jump in when babes no know for do it, jump in and help babes. Oh, so it's come. So give me a moment here. Okay guys, so I went ahead to get it up. I was not able to put the side in. So my boo had to do it for me. But yeah. So I guess everything is tightened and everything is good. So I guess this is how it would look. You know, you put your phone here. You know, you can put this as low as you want it. You can straighten it. You can do anything with it. And I really like this part. It's very strong, so you know that it will hold, you know, the weight of the phone. Now let's try the light to see if that works and how well that works. Okay. So this is the on and off button. Let's go. Ooh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, guys. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's a spot. Guys, now that's a spot. Like, you know, I know. It's showing a little of my impurities, but that's okay. I like it. Now, let's see what happens here. Now, you can dull, as you can see, the light is getting a little duller. You can see, yeah, getting a little duller, brighter and brighter. So ooh, this can go up to, wow, this is like, that's 6 clicks. Let's see, go back down. We're gonna go back down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, guys, 7 different lighting. Like, that ain't bad. Ooh, now guys, oh, I got the one. Ooh, guys, I got the one. I didn't know. Yeah, now this is definitely me. Ooh, now guys, like, guys, please see with me. I'm feeling myself today. But yeah, I like this. Like, I really like this. You know, and this tone, you can still go high, as you can see. Oh yeah. Yeah guys, like, oh, and it goes higher and higher and higher. Goes lower and so I really like this. So it gives you blue light, white light, and that, you know, warm color. So it gives you 3 different lights, and you can go up or down with the lights. Yeah, this is, yeah. Ooh. Guys, if I'm looking crazy today, do not mind that. Act like you did not see that. But you know, I'm really loving this. So, and as I said, this is definitely enough for me. Definitely enough for me. Right? It gives you 3 different lights, warm, white, and blue, I guess. And then you have levels you can go in each. Right? It comes with a remote. Now, if you're that kind of girl, you know, definitely you have this. It comes with a manual, a small manual to let you know what to do. You know, I like that this is very big and strong too, although the light is smaller, because this, you know, can hold your phone. You know, you can put it, I didn't tighten it here, but you can, you know, do what you want to do, right? You know, like, you can do what you want to do with it. I like that here, I like that down here you can hold it. So if it's a case that, you know, you have a small thing doing and you need someone to organize or something for you, yes, you can, you know, you can even go probably, you can, you know, use this. It's portable, right? And it opens up. So it opens up into a stand where you can just rest your, you know, and start that show. Like, look at this, guys. Like, ooh, guys, like, look at this. Right? So from today on I should not be in any lighting problem, right? Right? Like, no cap, no cap. Anyway, bring light up, my shoes up, my slippers I should say up, and I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself. Okay guys, so definitely thank you again for watching my video. Thank you again for supporting me. If you are a style squad over here, thank you, rate it, pick up yourself, right? Stay tuned for a lot more. As you can see, I have my hair up in 4. I am going to do a video with my hair as well, so that will be the next video coming, so definitely look out for that, guys. I have been having some issues, as I told you, with the background noise. You hear that awful sound, that bike noise. I'm really having some issues getting in the contents because of these stuff, but you know, I said, you know what, my peeps gonna understand what I'm going through. Let me take it off this color now, because you know, I think I want something brighter. Sorry for stopping, but you know, I feel like I'm getting broad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like this, way. Let me can put it there. So thank you if you reached this far in the video. Go ahead and comment if you did not about the video, what you think about my ring light, what you think about my little Cinderella slipper. And yeah, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see here, because you know, I just know a short video. Yeah, if you can tell me what you like, what you don't want to see, right? Because your girl is multi-talented, and you know, she does a lot of things, right? So definitely go down in the comment section, type in style queen, style king if you are a king over here, because you know our king does support our queens. So definitely go ahead and do that. You know, my link will be down in the description, so follow me on all socials. I am on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, right? But I'm mostly on Instagram and sometimes on TikTok, so you can definitely check me out over there. I do have other businesses that I do. I have my Tash Styles Detox Bar, where we assist in detox. For watching my video, and I am so happy you guys are showing me your support. I'm truly thankful for this, you know. So continue liking the video, continue commenting down in the comment section. You can go ahead and check out my description box if you would like to know more about me and what I do here on my channel. You can definitely go down in the description box. You will see all my socials down there as well, and my other businesses such as my detox bar. I do detox products, so definitely go ahead and check that out, right? So I'm not gonna rumble anymore, so bye guys, thank you so much, and mwah.